Hi guys, for today's video, I'm gonna make my own version of pinhole camera. These are the materials needed: glue, a piece of cardboard, 2 pieces of cardboard, bond paper or white paper, black paper, and then scissor and ruler. First is you need to fold the cardboard into 4 pieces by 10 centimeter, and the 4 is 5 centimeter. And repeat the process on what you do in the first box. Then, take a small piece of paper and stick it to the cardboard to make a box. And repeat the process on what you do in the first box. Get a piece of cardboard and then trace the box on it and cut it out. After cutting the paper, put a glue and stick it to the box. Then, get the white paper and trace the box and cut it out again. After you cutting the paper, put some coconut oil on it. Then, put a glue on a box and paste the white paper with coconut oil. Then after that, get some piece of black paper and trace it using the box. After that, get a ruler and find the center of the box and make a small hole using pin. So this is the final result of my pinhole camera. Thank you for watching.